This is my Anchor Ovenware glass baking dish. You can tell it's very well loved. I've had it for probably about 15 years. I also have a bit smaller version as well. This is my most used one though. This one is 10 inches by 16 inches by just under 3 inches. I often use this for baking cakes, making lasagna, 7-layer dips. I get so much use out of this pan, and it's so very versatile. Today I'm making some lemon zucchini cake, but I even use it often at Christmas time for doing 7-layer dips. It's very easy to clean, can even go in the dishwasher, and it's oven safe up to 425 degrees. I use this so often. It's probably my most used baking dish. Now, the outside of it is got some spots on it that I could easily get off with some steel wool if I wanted to. I just am more worried about the inside being clean for baking or cooking in. It's made of tempered glass and it is freezer safe, but I've just never done that with. I typically will use it for things that go in the fridge or for cooking. If for some reason I ever had to replace it, I would replace it with exactly the same dish. I use it that often.